Yeah, seems to kick ass, fuck. Not wrong with that sound. Well, some people might say it's a bit bloody loud. Oh, crikey. Choice of keys. No bloody idea. ZX. No, left, right, up and down. P and L. Fire. Space bar. That'll do, yeah. Oh, one for yes. Here we go. I don't know how to play this. Oh, it's bloody loud. It's bloody loud. Not bad for a Speccy though. Oh, here we go. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just pissing about actually. Here we are. Oh, it's like a tadpole. It's a bloody tadpole on the screen. Let's have a look. I'm trying to play this while manoeuvring. You will forgive me, I'm sure. Try pressing spacebar, but that's what happens. Not a lot. I was thinking about something. Slime points, turd points. I haven't got a bloody clue what's going on here. I'm trying to work my way out of here. I'm trying to eat something. I don't know, but it works. Cheers, fuck. There's nothing wrong with that sound.